Welcome to Neo Daily English.
Neo Daily English.
Welcome back to Neo Daily English, the only podcast where we treat English like a first date. Exciting, a bit mysterious, and totally worth the effort. I'm Leo.
And I'm Sikta. Today, we aren't just teaching you English, we're giving you a total masterclass upgrade. We've handpicked 15 expressions that separate the spectators from the leaders.
Speaking of spectators, Sikta, you look like you're ready to lead a boardroom today, or a gala. Is that a new headset, or are you just glowing?
Don't get me wrong, Leo. I appreciate the compliment, but we have a countdown to get to.
Don't get me wrong. Nice. Word number 1 right there. Using a phrase to soften a point. But before we dive in, listeners, there's a free PDF ebook in the description. Examples, exercises, the works. Scan the QR code, join the list, and let's get started.
All right, Leo, let's test your brain. Sentence 1. I realize I should have studied harder for that exam. In dash.
Oh, that's easy. Hindsight. It's like saying, I see clearly now that I'm looking back. Usually right after I've made a mess of things.
Exactly. It's the should've, would've of English. Now, if I asked you to send me those files before 5 p.m., what's your quick, casual reply?
Will do, or can do. I use it about 15 times a day. It's fun, it's snappy, like me.
Snappy is one word for it. Okay, puzzle time. 2 blanks. Both words start with W. You can trust Leo. He knows dash when it comes to podcasting.
He knows what's what. It sounds so much more natural than saying he's knowledgeable. It's got that native speaker edge.
Speaking of natural, are you finished with the notes for our next segment?
I'm more or less finished.
More or less, so not finished.
It's a softener, Sikta. It's better than a flat no. I've just been picking up a few freelance projects here and there. Nothing too steady, just occasional bits.
Scattered like a dog's toys around a room.
Hey, my focus is sharp. Give or take a few minutes of distraction.
Give or take. Perfect for estimates. But Leo, if you think you're getting out of the next quiz, that is absolutely out of the question.
Wow, forceful. No room for negotiation there. I like the authority sector. It's very commanding.
Speaking of which, another fabulous transition. How's your new MacBook? You mentioned you needed a new laptop.
Smooth move, Sikta. Speaking of which really helps the flow. The MacBook is great, though I'm still getting used to the interface. So far, so good, though. Cautiously optimistic.
I'm glad. For what it's worth, I think you're a natural with tech.
For what it's worth. Such a humble way to share an opinion. I'll take it. But tell me, was my reaction to the coffee being cold this morning a bit much?
A bit? It was definitely over the top. Unreasonable is the word. But don't worry, no harm done. I spilt a little on your script anyway, so we're even.
You spilt water? Very British of you. S-P-I-L-T. Our American friends would say spilled.
Okay, let's up the ante. I'm going to give you some advanced words. First one, frothy.
Like a cappuccino. Or my personality when I've had too much caffeine. Lots of air bubbles.
Right. What about the verb clock, as in, I clocked your suspicious behavior?
In British English, it means to notice or realize. I definitely clocked you trying to hide my favorite pen earlier.
I was just tinkering with it, making small changes to see if it wrote better.
Tinkering. I love that. Usually it means you're not sure you can actually fix it. My dad fixes the things I tinker with.
Don't feign surprise, Leo. You knew I took it.
Feign. To pretend to have a feeling. I would never feign enthusiasm for this podcast, Sikta. This is 100% real.
Let's see if the listeners can handle a quick fire round. 5 questions. I'm fed blank with this rainy weather. A, on, B, down, C, up. My car doesn't blank much fuel. A, spend, B, consume, C, contain. The couple talked blank the film. A, while, B, completely, C, throughout. She pointed blank that I'd forgotten my keys. A, out, B, up, C, to. The medicine was very blank. A, effective, B, active, C, successful.
I reckon our listeners got 5 out of 5. If you got C, B, C, A, you are well on your way to fluency.
If you scored higher than 12 today, you're hitting that B2 level. You're no longer a spectator, you're in the game.
And if you're in a situationship with your English, where you're more than friends but not quite committed, it's time to make it official. Subscribe to Neo Daily English.
No more doom scrolling through negative news, just pure, frothy English goodness right here.
Will do. See you in the next lesson.
Well, that's all for today. Before you go on your way, let me know in the comments, what topics should we cover next? Your suggestions help shape this channel. If you found value in this lesson, hit that like button and subscribe to stay consistent.